Here unusually is a recurring decimal question which comes at the end of a paper. Now normally recurring decimal questions are embedded somewhere in the middle. This one is slightly trickier than the others. 0.51 with a dot just above the 1 means only the 1 repeats. So the first thing we do, as with any question of this type, is we write out the decimal in a long form, and it's going to be 0.51111 recurring. And that's the value we're trying to work out. So we'll call that x. Now, because the digit's repeating, because the number's repeating every digit, if we multiply it by 10, we'll get another number with a string of ones. If it repeated every 2 digits, we need to multiply it by 100 for the digits to line up, and if it repeated every 3 digits, 1,000, and so on. So here now we've got the ones cancelling. I should have written this slightly better, but this one and this one will cancel. So effectively it becomes 5.1 minus 0.5, because all the stuff over here, let's choose a different color. All these ones, when we subtract, are going to cancel out. So those ones are going to cancel with those ones. Effectively we're left with, this is an infinite number of ones as well. Effectively we're left with 4.6 equals 9x. So therefore x equals 4.6 over 9. Now of course 4.6 over 9 is not a proper fraction. We shouldn't have decimals within our fraction. So how do we change 4.6 into a whole number? Well, to make this an equivalent fraction, we can multiply the top and bottom by 10. That gives us 46 over 90. We're still not really done because that can cancel down. Obviously, the denominator and numerator are both even, so if we halve it, we get 23 over 45, and 23 is a prime number. 45 is in a factor of 23, of multiple of 23. So that's our answer. Another slightly cunning way, which a lot of people like to use, is to multiply it by 10 and multiply it by 100. If we multiply it by 10, we get 5.111111, and that's 10x. But multiply it by 100, we get 51.1111. The reason some people like to do that is because you get the 1111s all lined up after the decimal point, so it just looks a bit nicer. So we get 51.111 minus 5.111, which means that 46 equals 90x, and then we're exactly the same stage we were here. Yes.